Strabismus healing in 3 steps naturally. First, we need to learn relaxation and to fix to eyes to look straight. You can check that on exercises or how to heal strabismus naturally eye exercises on my channel. The second is to force the eyes to look, because usually the slanting eye is stop looking because the person is uncomfortable and brain turns it off. Only one eye works. And slanting eye becomes so lazy that he practically doesn't see. And when eye is straightened, he looks straight, but he doesn't see, and it becomes a second problem to teach him to work. You can put a pirate band on a strong eye for 3 minutes a day and look with the slanting eye. The lazy eye is called amblyopia, and we begin to teach this eye to look. The third step is synchronization of 2 eyes, as it should be with eye exercises. Subscribe to my channel to improve your eyesight naturally.